Sometimes you just got to know when to cut your losses. So this morning, I seen the market was going down and I said, you know what? Let me cut my losses. It's about 50 to 60%. I said I'm willing to lose. As you can see here, I'm down. I was down about 1600 bucks. I was like, damn, I didn't let that stop me. When you're investing, there's risk and there's reward. You got to know where it is that you lie in terms of what you're willing to lose. Now, I'm not saying that you're going to go into the market and actually lose money, but that's something that you got to think about. What are you going to do when you lose this money? Are you going to cry about it? Or are you going to be like, you know what? Let me cut my losses and move on. I decided to cut my losses and move on. Because I did that, I took whatever money I had left and I said, you know what? Let me just go scalp the market. I found something and right here I made returns and that was like about $2,400. So between that and my losses, I'm up about $800. So within 2 hours, I made back what I lost, 1,600 bucks, and then I made money, which is $800 or $2,400. So in total, I'm up $800 for the day and that was done in less than 2 hours. Now I'm going to leave you with a quote. It's easier to make a lot of money in a short period of time than it is to make a little bit of money over a long period of time. So now look at this sheet here. This is the hours when I focus on tasks that make me anywhere from $100 or $1,000 an hour. Look how much money I could be making. Look at this. Versus when I'm just doing regular tasks or mindless entertainment, I make nothing. Or I'm making bare minimum, making less than minimum wage. And look at this, 17 hours versus 5 hours. You be the judge. And if you're looking to change your mindset and you're trying to build wealth, then the Wealth Builders Academy is what you need to join. It's only $7 a month. How can you go wrong? $7 a month. That's cheaper than a Netflix subscription, but more valuable than a Mercedes. And look, I just showed you less than 2 hours, I made $2,400. Can you make that doing Uber? Can you make that at your job? Can you do that by just sitting there watching TV? If you're really trying to get to the next level, then join the Wealth Builders Academy.